Okay, hello and welcome, Chris here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the AI video creator tool. Now the first thing that I'd say is when you install the software for the first time, especially on a Windows PC, you may receive a security information prompt and you'll need to click on more info in order to install the software. So you just click on more info, you'll be given an option to install and then go ahead and run the installation. Then once the installation is complete, just search on your computer for AI video creator, and you can see that in my computer it's installed on users/chris/desktop/AI video creator .lnk. So you can just search in your computer AI video creator and it will be installed. And it will then take you over to a version of the tool which looks like this. And so what this software does is it allows you to create unlimited real videos using proven niches, proven scripts in 15 of the top money-making niches and methods, with preloaded scripts that I've personally written and professional voiceovers that are recorded for those preloaded scripts. So the software is very simple to use, but in this video I'm going to run through exactly each of the steps and show you exactly how it works. So the first step, once you load the software, you'll see that we have a step 1, customize your video. And we have a few options here. The first thing is the audio, and this allows us to import our own MP3, which is basically going to be the backing track that will play under the voiceover. We can choose from our music library. So we just click on those and it's going to preload that one there. I'm just going to clear that just so we don't have any backing track. We can choose the background. We can either choose a color or we can choose to import an image, or we can have an image from the library that's included. And I'm going to do that now. We can also choose the color of the text that appears and the font as well. So for example, let's choose the Dosis font and white text. So we have white text with this blue image background that I chose here. And then the last thing is we have gaps in milliseconds. So what this does is it basically inserts a small gap of 300 milliseconds by default, which is 0.3 seconds between each slide. So the idea here is that when the voiceovers are kind of combined together and stuck together for each slide, this will give a bit of natural padding to make it sound like the voiceover artist is taking a breath. So you can change this as you want to do that. I'm just going to leave it at 300 milliseconds for default, and then we click on the next step. So the basic idea for step 2 is we can choose our niches and choose our slides and voiceovers. So this is really important step. And so firstly, if you look over on the left, you'll see that we have, and let me just check all of these, you'll see that we have these different 15 packs. So we have the affiliate JV, which is if you want to promote an affiliate offer, or sorry, you want to promote your own offer and get affiliates to promote it. This is the pack for you. We have app marketing if you want to promote an app, building muscle, which is for promoting building muscle offers both as an affiliate and if you've got your own building muscle product, dating, dieting, e-commerce, which is about promoting physical products and can be used for promoting t-shirts, mugs, that kind of thing on Teespring, Shopify, etc. Free report, which is about list building videos. Generic, which is really important because it basically can be used for any offer and is really powerful, not only if you don't find your particular offer in one of these packs, but you can also mix and match. So you could, for example, add something from the make money niche and then go back over to generic and use something from that niche as well. Okay, so let me just uncheck those two, which we do by clicking on them. So generic's very important, and whatever niche you choose, whatever method you choose, you will want to go back to generic as well. We have green energy, which is like renewable energy. There's a few good renewable energy products on ClickBank. Local marketing, and remember all of these videos are royalty free, so if you create a video, not only can you use it yourself, but you can also create these videos and then sell them to your own clients. So if you've got like a local marketing business where you do work for local plumbers or local plastic surgeons or whatever, you can create videos using this tool and then sell them on as well. Make money for creating videos for the make money in internet marketing niche, which is one of my favorite niches. So you can see we've got quite a few slides here, 33 slides for this one. Retargeting, if you want to do retargeting videos to bring people back to your website. Trading, which is really cool if you want to promote trading offers, stock trading, forex, etc. And website visit, which is focused on driving people to visit your website. So if you were doing, say, YouTube PPC campaign to get people to click on the link and go to your website, this would be a really good one. And then speaking of YouTube, we also have a YouTube pack, which is specifically for creating videos for YouTube, running YouTube ads, and getting people to subscribe or getting people to click through, to your website or whatever with YouTube. So let's say I wanted to do a make money video. I'd click on the make money niche, and you can see that we then have these slides that appear along here, and we also have intro, middle, close, and a search option. So firstly, the search option allows us to search the entire database for for slides that contain a particular word. So let's, for example, search the word money, and you can see that we have maybe 20-30 videos that appear. I'm just going to undo that search and click again on make money, and then I'm going to just show intro slides. So for each of the slides created, so for example there are 33 for make money, we've divided them into intro, middle and close. So the idea here is that slides typically need some kind of a structure. Your video should have a structure, and the introduction should typically say something like a question such as, do you want to make money online, or do you want to profit with video? The middle will then talk about features. For example, here's how the system works. Look at the results that people are getting right now. It's as easy as step 1, step 2, step 3. And then the close is driving people to take action. So the close is going to be saying, click on the link, this is risk-free, what are you waiting for, take action, that kind of thing. So first we add our intro slides, then we add our middle slides, and then we add our close slides. So I'm just going to click on intro, and you can see that we have maybe 16 or something like that, or 12 slides that have appeared as intro slides for the make money niche. So let's just hover over one, and you should be able to hear the voiceover play. Now what we can do as well is we can click on this next arrow here, and it will then load the second recording of the voiceover, because we've actually recorded 3. So I quite like that second one, so I'm going to select that, and the way we do that is just by hovering over it and clicking on it. And you can see that we now have a number 1 next to the slide. You can see that the make money slide has turned blue to show that we've selected one. But as I say, we can mix and match these with any of the packs. So I'm going to go back to generic, and I've still got intro selected. So I'm going to select that as my second one, and then I'm going to go back to make money. And let's have a look at some middle slides. So I selected another couple here. Let's go over to close. Go back to generic and have a look at the closes there. Okay, so we selected 8 slides there, which is a pretty solid number. Some from the make money pack, some from the generic pack. And I'm just going to click on generate now to move to the next step. So essentially we've selected our 8 slides, and sorry, click on that again. So, pretty solid so far, and obviously we haven't done anything here to customize the video. So we have a few options here. Firstly, we can edit the text slides, and of course these are all generic slides by their nature. So you may want to edit this. So let's, for example, say, are you tired of make money systems? So we've edited that to put in 2018. We can also change the effects from both the way the slides come in and and the text. So let's, for example, do the scale one for that one. So you can see we've got a few options there in terms of how we bring the animation in. We can also choose some different animation options here. We can move the order of slides just by dragging and dropping on the right. We can delete slides by clicking on this button. And we can also change the between the 3 different voiceovers by uh, by by just clicking the next button there. We can click here to return to slide. And we can also change the color of the background and also of the text as well if that's what we want to do. But what we can do, which is really cool, is we can import images and video here. So for example, if I go to the second slide, then what I can do is I can actually import an image of the software that I'm promoting. And likewise, where it says this one here, this is type of money, we can quite easily import an image, a proof shot here of the money, of my specific money for this specific product. And this is how we can customize the videos, by editing the text and by importing images and video. So we take this generic video, which is really, really awesome, but it's not been customized, and we customize it by changing the text and importing images and video. So I'm just going to pause the video, find an image on my computer and just import it onto this slide over here. So you can see I've done that. I've just imported this image. You can see that the text is still on the screen, so I'm just going to select and just remove the text, and it's going to look a lot more natural now. Wish this was your reality. This would be another image that I'd import here. Presenting the ultimate money making software, maybe import a demo video of the AI video creator, and so on and so forth. And we just go through importing images, editing text, and importing editing the text and importing images and videos until we're happy with the video. You can also choose a backing track. So looking at this, it looks a little bit dry without a backing track. So let me click on project settings, choose music library. And we'll click on that. It's now going to load the audio, and if I were to click on back and click on play, so you can see that we've now really started to get a cool video, really, really special video in the last couple of minutes. Once we're happy with this, we of course click render, which is in the top right hand corner. It's then going to render a video file, which we can then upload to YouTube, Vimeo, wherever we want to. And we can also save our project and open a project. And once we want to start from scratch, we just click on new project up here, and it's then going to load up a new project and we can start from scratch. And I think that pretty much covers it, guys. That's how the tool works. Very, very powerful. One of the, I think, the best tools that I've ever created. And I think it's going to be really, really helpful for a lot of people to create very, very quick, but real high quality professional looking videos in just a few minutes. And of course, the cool thing about this as well is you can go and create a quick video and set it up, and once you start making a lot of money from that, once you see that your YouTube ads converting really well, you're getting a ton of engagement on Facebook, your VSL's converting and you're making sales, well, at that point you can go and create a longer script, get another voiceover artist, do a whole range of things to make even more money. But for now, this is just a great way to create very, very quick videos that otherwise would cost you hundreds of dollars and you probably wouldn't bother doing because of the time it's going to take you. So there you have it, guys, AI video creator. Hopefully this video was useful, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next video. Cheers.